His Excellency John Dramani Mahama.
Your Majesty Odefo Amaku Wedu, the 7th President of the Central Regional House of Chiefs, Your Majesty Osa Berima Dr. Kwesi Atta, the 2nd Ogwa Manhene, Your Majesties are traditional rulers. So many of you have turned out today. I acknowledge you and thank you for the honor done us in joining us at this function. Our Queen Mothers, my mothers, you are looking so beautiful this afternoon. And thank you all for coming to honor your son at this beautiful function. The Catholic Archbishop of Cape Coast, the Most Reverend Charles Gabriel Palmer Buckle, our leaders, religious leaders, pastors, imams, our regional chief imam and members of the Muslim community, our Serifin Zongo, all our paramount chiefs and paramount queen mothers, residents of Central Region, residents of Cape Coast, Her Excellency, the Vice President of the Republic of Ghana, Nana Jane Opoku Ajimai, Ministers of State, Members of Parliament, Vice Chancellor of the University of Cape Coast and his team, Metropolitan, Municipal and District Coordinating Directors, Heads of Department, Political Party Executives, good people of the Central Region, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. I wish you all a very good afternoon. Late last year, the contract for the first phase of the dualization of the Kaswa-Winneba Road started. Upon completion, this project will facilitate the movement of goods and services and enhance trade. The second phase of this project will be from Winneba roundabout to Mankesem roundabout. And the third phase will be from the Mankesem roundabout to Cape Coast. While phase 1 is ongoing, phase 2 and phase 3 will be packaged and funded under our Big Push program. We also have targeted important roads like the Yamoransa-Praso Road and then the Cape Coast to Trifo-Praso Road, amongst others. It is with profound humility and gratitude that I stand before you today as we continue our collective journey towards progress and unity of our beloved nation. Today marks a significant moment in our history. As I address you during this thank you tour, following my election as the President of the Republic of Ghana and our swearing in Jane Nana Opoku-Agyeman as the Vice President of the Republic of Ghana. Minyanom muhuya handa yemkrana bone. Ade a yede bay ene aseda. Yeba se yebeda Central Region fo nyina se. Ene modern boa mode share abatu no mu a ene mabedane omanpanyin e wo Ghana ha ena moamoba Jane Nana Opoku-Agyeman wabedane Vice President of the Republic of Ghana. Yentimi ndamase amejidi se nyame akasa ena beton nshira ato Central Region so. First and foremost, I wish to express my heartfelt appreciation to all of you, Nananom, and indeed the wonderful people of the Central Region for the trust and confidence you have placed in myself and Nana Opoku-Agyeman and our administration to take the reins of government and move our dear nation into a period of prosperity. The support of Central Region was instrumental in bringing us to this moment. I also want to express my profound gratitude to you for making history by giving us your daughter as the history-making first female Vice President of the Republic of Ghana. But let me add that Nana Jane has earned this mark of distinction in her own right, not only because she's a woman. And as she herself said, it is not enough to be the first to go through the door, but what matters most is to hold the door open for others to follow. And I'm sure that she's going to do that so that our sisters and our daughters and mothers will all follow in her footsteps. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, during our campaign, we engage with communities large and small, and we converse with our youth, our farmers, our artisans, our elders, our fisher folk. We listen to your concerns, we shared in your hopes, and witnessed the incredible resilience that defines the people of the Central Region. Your support in the elections has affirmed your belief in a Ghana that is united, progressive, and forward-moving. This collective belief in the progress of our dear nation will guide us as we implement the promises we made during our campaign, and we intend to keep our electoral promises. Nananom, the Central Region holds great significance for our nation, not only for its rich history, but also its vital contribution to the development of our dear nation. From the historical forts and castles that stand as a testament to our shared heritage, to being the agricultural heartbeat that feeds many in the length of breadth of this country, and also being the tourism hub, attracting diverse visitors from all over the world, and also at the same time the citadel of education in Ghana, nurturing some of the best minds of our country. The Central Region occupies a special place in Ghana's scheme of things. The region has contributed immensely to the economic, cultural, and political life of our great country. As President, I also identify as a son of this region and commit to honoring and recognizing its importance, whether in education, infrastructure, healthcare, or economic empowerment. We'll work together to elevate the lives of all those who call this region home. And I can assure you, the people of the Central Region, you will get your fair share of the national cake. Nananum, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, you will all agree with me that our campaign success was due to the collective efforts of Ghanaians from all walks of life. We all share a collective responsibility as we embark on this new journey. And I wish to emphasize that I'm a president for all Ghanaians, and I'm committed to fostering unity and inclusivity and ensuring that no region, no community, or no person is left behind. Let us set aside our past divisions and move forward in the spirit of collaboration. Our strength lies in our diversity, and together we will overcome any challenges on our path to progress. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, as we move into this new chapter, our vision for Ghana remains clear, and we're committed to building a prosperous, peaceful, and sustainable nation. And among the commitments we have made are number one, job creation, especially for our young people. We will invest in programs and policies that create jobs for our youth and provides opportunities for our farmers, our entrepreneurs, and our workers. Our 24-hour economy plan is designed to enhance production, productivity, and employment by creating an enabling environment for businesses in agro-processing, manufacturing, and construction to employ more people through a 3-shift system. We are committed to infrastructural development of all regions. We'll prioritize the development of critical infrastructure, including roads, schools, healthcare facilities, and electrification projects, and also provide clean drinking water for our people.